Hello, what's up guys? My name's Ty and I'm back again with another video for you guys. Now, if you guys are watching this and you're new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that sub button. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to come at you guys like that. I mean, I just, sometimes I go over the top and it's not needed. But I'm just sorry about that. So, I have a bunch of stuff that I got in the mail. And this video is going to be very, very informational. I actually got the motor on the engine stand. I didn't build it in the last video, but I had some extra hands to had them help me. There's my little heater right there because it's kind of chilly. But today, I'm gonna put the timing belt on, oil pump, water pump, and yeah, get that all buttoned up. I put the turbo oil line, the oil feed line in, and oh, hold on, what's this? Huh? Oh, clutch master cylinder, no.
Wait, oh yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
I got the clutch, lightweight flywheel, 6-puck. You guys already know the deal. And yeah, I still didn't do the 2 lines right there. Didn't get a chance to do it. Kind of been busy. But let's see what we get done today because I'm just trying to make money moves. I'm gonna try to open my transmission today. Just take a look at it, make sure everything's fine. Clean it up and slap it on. So guys, as you can see, I have a lot of work ahead of me. So let's get into it. So right here, guys, I got my Skunk 2 Billet series water pump right here. And I have the tensioner right here. Putting this gasket on and I'm gonna take the old one off, clean it up, and put it on. Got my razor blade, gonna get all this gasket maker off so the new water pump can seal correctly. Nice clean install. There you go, guys. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is opening up the transmission, checking if everything's all right. And I'm going to start doing that now. Good thing I opened this transmission because a bolt. A bolt, bro. A bolt. make sure you check your transmissions. Check your transmissions, bro. These bolts were loose. So, now they're tight. Gonna get on the road again. Let me give you guys a close-up. So I figured I'd inspect this transmission since I obviously paid money for it. But I found a bolt right there, right where I call it the pickup magnet, right there. I don't know, right here. That was sitting there. These two bolts right here, 1 and 2. Yeah, those were loose. As you can see right here, hold on, let me see something. Look at these bolts right here are loose. Look at this. Both of these are loose. And this bolt goes, I don't know if you guys can see it, right there. So, I mean, everything else looks good. Everything else looks real good. So, I'm gonna go ahead, fix everything, and put this back together. So I got the casing back on. Before I did that, I took a razor blade and I just took off all the old gasket maker because, yeah, you can't leave that there. So I did that, resealed it, put the casing back on, and then prepping it for paint. So let go. Hello guys, how are ya? This is a few days after I said I was gonna get the transmission ready for paint. I didn't end up doing it. Bro, come on! It was pretty late. It was like 1 in the morning or something like that. But I didn't put the timing belt on the motor either because as I was setting the timing, I'm tightening the timing belt tensioner and it's not getting tight.
Like I'm giving a damn. Be ready to scrap when you talk to the trap. 30, you are now talking to a boss. New bank still around in the post.
So I bought the block with the first L of the year, well, second L of the year. The timing belt bolt tensioner, bolt hole is stripped. So right now, I'm currently at a standstill. Just wait for the next video to see an update on Roxy. Roxy is the Integra. So stay humble, stay blessed. This is Ty from Ty's Auto Works. You guys have a blessed one. Yeah. Peace.